here. Today in this video we shall learn about division by 10, 100 and 1000 without actual division. Let's start. Here comes division by 10. When any number is divided by 10, one's digit of the number becomes remainder and other digits becomes quotient. Is it confusing? Let us try with one example. Here comes the example. 486 divided by 10. Here 6 is one's digit. So 6 becomes remainder and other digits 48 becomes quotient. Next comes division by 100. When any number is divided by 100, ones and tens digits of the number becomes remainder, other digits becomes quotient. Here comes the example. 486 divided by 100. Ones and tens digits are 8 and 6. So 8 and 6 are remainder and 4 is the quotient for this given number. Next comes division by 1000. When any number is divided by 1000, ones, tens and hundreds digits of the given number becomes remainder and the other digits becomes quotient. Here comes the example. 4860 divided by 1000. Ones, tens, hundreds digits are 8, 6, 0. So these digits are remainder and 4 becomes quotient of the number. So here is division by 10, 100, 1000. Thank you all for watching this video.